Top 5 Best Concrete Vibrators. Number 5. Seeutek SY-BZ-496 Concrete Vibrator. Our first recommendation is a handheld electric tool that lets you do your job without getting tired due to its lightweight design. It weighs only 42 pounds, so you can easily use it without worrying about tiredness. The product operates with 110 volts and 1100 watts and has a vibration frequency of 16,000 VPM, an aspect that makes it a powerful tool. It's electric motor ideal for construction and other repair jobs. Moreover, it comes with a protective metal roll cage for extra safety when needed. It gets the job done rapidly and helps the concrete settle immediately. Among the most important features there are the metal build case, good seal, able to prevent cement from penetrating. More thread, connects with the tool more tightly. Button switch, safer and more convenient to run. Use concerning this aspect, you just have to soak the head of the tool into wet cement to remove all the air bubbles and excess water to allow the cement to set and form itself correctly solidly. You can trust to use it on large area due to its shaft number is 4.5 feet and that boosts your work efficiency. Be aware, if the tool does not work firstly, just mount the vibrating bar on the ground a few times, and then everything will be alright. In addition, Seeutek products are backed by 100% money back guarantee if not satisfied with them. Number 4. Makita XRVO1Z. Our second pick is another effective tool from Makita brand that delivers up to 50% more runtime due to the lithium-ion battery. This product operates with a powerful motor that delivers 13,000 VPM to help boost the solidity of the cement, and it can operate up to 25 minutes using a fully charged 18V battery. Moreover, it has a compact design. It only weighs 7.7 pounds, so to reduce heat, under the side is a tool switch or both positions. For extra safety, the cover switch and press the shaft ladder. Note that product not include the battery, and it works with Makita batteries and chargers. Number 3. Zhenli ZX-35. This third product comes with a compact design and it is ideal for construction, patching and other repair jobs. With a powerful motor of 110 volts and 1300 W, it is able to do its work fastly and efficiently. Furthermore, the extraordinary vibration frequency of 13,000 RPM has removed the air bubbles immediately and helps faster as just 7 inches and easy way. You just have to enter order. Make sure that you use the crucial metal best comes. Otherwise, I needed one. Number 2. Seeutek SY-BZ-496. Our fourth pick is another powerful tool from Seeutek with a motor that operates with 110 volts and 750 watts. Its 13,000 VPM vibrations frequency makes it even more efficient and helps you work better and faster. The 4.9 feet long shaft is suitable for a long work area and long reach. Furthermore, its ergonomic design lock-on button reduces your work pressure. Amongst features, there are mentioned the motor that will work a long time with less reduced metal screw thread, built-in head and the steel bone shaft durable and sturdy. Seeutek products are backed by 100% money back guarantee, so if you are not satisfied, you can call for a refund. Number 1. Beamnova 70025602. Beamnova comes to your attention with an industrial tool that has an impressive vibration frequency of over 13,000 vibrations per minute. It features a long 4.9 shaft that helps you reach the highest surfaces. Its motor operates with 110 volts and helps you do your job rapidly and efficiently, removing all of the air bubbles and letting the cement in a perfect shape. The product also features lock-on buttons, so it's even more effective. It is ideal for repairings, construction, and similar jobs. Its lightweight design makes it easy to use and it reduces tiredness. Note that if the tool does not run the first, just tap its head and it will start operating in just a few moments.